Why are there so few people here? Because you cannot drive here, you cannot really fly here, you can only come here on a ship. And the ships coming down here have to be well organized. You have to have a crew that knows these regions. So it's just not like any other place in the world where you can just kind of like book a plane ticket and go there. You have to come in one of these ships, and there's only so many places available every year. So right now there's about 50,000 people coming down here every year. It might sound like a lot, but just for comparison, you have millions, tens of millions visiting the Caribbean and Europe and other regions. So it's very few people ever get to come down here. And if you look at the world's population, that's just a drop in the ocean.
All of this ice, there can be millions and millions of tons in an iceberg, but every single iceberg started off as a snowflake falling from the sky.
Explorers tried to come here so many times before, and it was impossible. They died, and now we are here just walking around and getting marveled at this huge immensity. Really, thanks God for this.
Yeah, so before I came here I knew I'd see a few bits and pieces of wildlife, but yeah, it's been breathtaking seeing